Hi, boys and girls. Miss Gray here. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Another day of remote learning. Hopefully your packets are going well, and I hope to see you guys in person again soon. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about Africa. The last continent we learned about was South America, and before that we learned about North America. So now we're going to move across the Atlantic Ocean, and we're going to talk about the continent of Africa and the big features that we need to know. So let's get started. Africa by Mary Lindeen. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. The Atlantic Ocean is west of Africa. The Indian Ocean is east of Africa. Europe is north of Africa. So if you take a look at the picture they gave us here, this map they provided, Africa is in bright red down towards the bottom. The Atlantic Ocean, North America, and South America are all located to the west of Africa. The Indian Ocean, parts of Asia, and Australia are located on the eastern border of Africa. And then Europe is located directly above Africa. Most of the land in Africa is hot and flat. Some of the land is desert. The largest desert in the world is in Africa. It is called the Sahara. The Sahara is about the same size as the United States. So this desert, the Sahara Desert, is the largest one in the world, and it's the same size as our entire country of the United States. It's pretty crazy to think about, but the Sahara Desert is one of the big features of Africa that we need to know about. Some of the land in Africa is rainforest. Many rare animals live in the rainforest. African gray parrots are rare. They live in some of Africa's rainforest. So the gray parrots are pictured here to the right. South America also had some rainforest that we learned about. But as you can see in the last slide that we talked about, Africa has deserts. So their climate is well enough to support rainforest, but it is going to be a little bit different than the rainforest in South America. So you'll get different kinds of animals and plant life there. Some of Africa's land is open and grassy. This is called the savanna. Many animals live on the savanna. So the savanna are the grasslands of Africa. It's another type of ecosystem and habitat that animals live in. So you can see pictured here on the left, the zebras and elephants are just two animals that live in the African savanna. There are many countries in Africa. There are all kinds of people. Some people wear colorful clothes and jewelry. Members of the Maasai tribe are known for their colorful clothing. So they're pictured here on the right. You can see all their clothes are very colorful and different and unique, just part of the African culture. Many people in Africa are farmers. They grow coffee, cocoa, fruits, and other crops. So these farmers in Rwanda are growing corn. So just like in South America and North America, Africa also has an agricultural section, and that's part of their culture. But as we talked about with South America, the climate is a little bit different in Africa as well. So they grow different crops than we do in North America and what they grow in South America. Some people in Africa live in the desert. Some of their homes are made of mud and straw. Mud huts are common in some areas of Africa. These huts are in Namibia. So if you take a look here on the right, these are what the typical home in the African desert looks like for people that live there. Doesn't typically look like what we see here in the United States, but it's all about what resources they have around them that they can use to build their homes out of. Some people live in big cities by rivers, lakes, and the ocean. The largest city in Africa is Cairo, Egypt. Cairo is home to more than 9 million people. So you take a look here on the left-hand side of your screen, you can see Cairo. We are going to be talking a little bit more about Egypt, specifically ancient Egypt in the future. So be looking forward to that. But it's just another large city like we've seen on the other continents as well. A lot of people live along the Nile River. It is the longest river in the entire world. Some people fish on the Nile River. So this is another one of Africa's big key geographic features that we need to know about. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. There are many beautiful places to see in Africa. What would you plan to see there? So Victoria Falls is in Africa. It's one of the largest waterfalls in the world. That's what's on the left-hand side of your screen here. I think Africa showed us a lot of cool things that it has to offer. So think about what would be your favorite, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.